best application here to improve your PUBG graphics. I'm going to show you guys how to use it like a pro. So make sure to home screen of the application. So the first thing you will need to do is to make sure that you have the PUBG installed on your device. So at the top here, may say game, you can tap on this option here and you're going to select whichever version of PUBG you have installed on your device, whether the global, light, whichever version. Do make sure to check out the version and you come back here. So once you have selected the version of PUBG that you have on the device, you can go in the resolution section here based on your device qualities or device RAM. You're gonna select one of these, any one that you want to select, but I recommend not going too high because you may encounter logs problems. But select any one. As you can see here, I'm gonna select full HD here, and also you have the graphics. So if you want your graphics to look well clean and also super smooth, you can select the super smooth option here if you want Ultra HD. If you don't want any lag, no lag at all, let's say your PUBG is lagging on your low-end device, I recommend super smooth and pretty much lower the graphics on the resolution option. So here you have the style. You can pretty much select any one of these. Whichever one you choose, all depends upon you. Here you have the frames per second. Whichever one you choose depends upon you. Extreme, I would recommend it for lower device or mid device, but you can give it a try. If it does seem laggy, change it. So that's pretty much it for that there. You can enable the shutter option, but this will cause login as well, so I want to avoid that option there. Here you have the next option here, which you can enable as well. So that's really pretty much it. So once you have selected all these settings, you can go on YouTube. There are a lot of settings that you can go on YouTube here, or here on YouTube. You can search PUBG settings and you can find a lot of settings based on if you want a higher graphics, smoother, you're experiencing lag, you want to improve or to remove lag from the PUBG game. You can just search up YouTube, just type in the app name, as you can see here, the settings that you want. So once you have done that, you tap on apply, and then that's really pretty much it. Make sure the game is closed from the background, or it's closed already. But once you have done that, you're pretty much good to go. And if it doesn't apply, you can come back in the application again and make sure you clear the background and force apply. It should work once you have done that. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And you may see a lock icon here. This is pretty much the plus version. I will be reviewing it as well and show you guys some other features. You can see here it does come with built-in features which you can use if you're experiencing lag. It will give you a quick setup if you're experiencing lag and so forth. So that's really pretty much for the application. Very easy application to use. I've used it before and it definitely helps me as it relates to increasing the graphics or lowering the graphics to avoid lag. So that's pretty much it. If I missed anything at all, just comment below and I will let you know. See you in the next one.